Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about CRM, HubSpot CRM object. So as you can see, manage your CRM database, understand object record and properties. The foundation of your HubSpot account is a database of your business relationships and processes called the CRM, Customer Relationship Management. So so here where HubSpot is giving all the information about the CRM. So we're going to go to the portal. To go to the CRM object, you go to settings and then data management. And then after that, we have the properties and then we have the object. So now, as you can see in HubSpot, we have different kind of objects. So we have contacts object, companies, leads, deals, ticket, product, codes, invoices, activities, campaign, list, marketing event, workflow, and then after that we have custom object. So custom objects is the one that's going to help you to set up your own kind of like your own database table. So what is a CRM object in HubSpot? So the CRM object is helping us to is going to help you to secure your contact. It's going to help you to secure your companies. All the information here, they're kind of like in your portal and they're secured. And those information can also help you when you are, later, for instance, you want to have a customer portal built, and those information they are accessible via login. So you log in and then after that access it, or you can just use those information here internally. So in HubSpot, we have custom object, and after that, we have also AppDB. That is also another database. So now to go to AppDB, you go to marketing. Where's AppDB? Yeah, so here you have where you create also another table, but this one here can be public, so you don't need to log in to when you are building this database. You can call it using your CMS page, and you don't need someone to log in. You don't need your user to log in to be able to view the data that's going to come from the AppDB, from the database. But if you want to create later, for instance, a membership system and something like that, custom objects also can help. So the CRM, when it comes to custom objects, so we have, when it comes to the default CRM objects we have is contact. So to create your contact, and then we have contact, so we can see different kind of sets of the settings that you can create. But we're not going to talk about the settings today. It's just to tell you different kind of stuff that you can do. So contact, to create the contacts of your customers, and then after that they're going to be associated to their companies, and then after that we have the leads there. The client that is going to get via different kind of like social or website and stuff like that, and or offsourcing. So those are the leads there. We have the deals. So the deals now is going to help you when it comes to creating later, for instance, invoicing and all the stuff when it comes to sales. So you have your deal set up there. So for you to have the deals, you're going to need to have the product. Yeah, so we have the product. So HubSpot is giving you a place to create your product. So once you create your product, and the product is going to be in the deals, and then after that, it's going to help you to create your codes and then to create your invoices. Yeah, so then we have also the ticketing system. So HubSpot provide the ticketing system there. So you can create also the ticketing the ticket table, so where you can create different kind of properties for your tickets. And then we have activity, campaign, and then we have lists, we have marketing events, we have some of the properties you can use for your workflow as well. So all those things here, they are just a collection of properties. So it's just a collection of properties where you you group all the properties to different kind of objects. So it's almost like you have properties for contact, properties for company, property for leads, and so forth. And then here, as you can see, this list is there, and here where you can also create your property is just by selecting the object that you want, and then you click create property, and then you can create your custom properties there. So so this when it comes to CRM objects. So the CRM object is really nice. It's a different table for your customer relationship management that it can help you to kind of like connect different kind of tables, and then have a good reporting system when it comes to because all those information that you're going to set up here, they're going to help you to have a good reporting system. Setup is also going to help you to set up your sales. It's going to help you also to for your ticketing system, and then after that, it's going to also help you with your workflow. So that is the base of. So if you know, uh, you really understand the CRM object, and then it's going to help you with those all those aspects. Okay, great. Thank you so much. If you like this video, click a thumbs up, and then after that, you can also subscribe for more.